The Miss ARC Broward pageant was created to provide a platform for girls with disabilities between the ages of 6 and 17 to shine. Contestants learn valuable life skills to help them reach their unique dreams. By participating in the Miss ARC Broward pageant and the numerous activities surrounding the pageant, contestants get the opportunity to showcase their talents, make lifelong friends, and gain confidence. And most important, in the Miss ARC Broward pageant, everyone is a winner. It is truly an experience that empowers these young women and encourages them to dream big. Since its inception in 2013, the Miss ARC Broward pageant has also transformed the South Florida community, giving attendees a chance to see disabilities in a whole new light. ARC Broward's mission is to transform the community by providing opportunities for people with disabilities and other life challenges to realize their full potential. Through the Miss ARC Broward pageant, we are doing just that. It is our hope that audiences will continue to be inspired watching these young girls and their many abilities. To learn more about these incredible girls or to see how you can be part of this year's upcoming activities, call us at 954-746-9400 or visit us at www.arcbroward.com.